Hello children, welcome back to the English 1 session. As you all know, in the previous session we have started with our revision. We have finished this first revision and today we are going to begin with the second revision. Okay, here is revision 2. According to your question paper pattern, the question number 2 is write true or false. Okay, here are a few examples for true or false. Let's understand them. The first one, Prem went into the garden on a hot day. This sentence is true. So I have written here true. And in the exam, children, only you have to read the sentence and only write the answer. Is it clear? The second one, Prem is sitting under an apple tree. This is false because Prem was sitting under a banana tree. The third one, Prem is nodding his head. It is true because when he sat under the banana tree, he started feeling sleepy and he started nodding his head. The fourth one, Prem does not climb the dead tree. This is false because in his dream, when he goes to sleep, in his dream, he sees that he was climbing a dead tree. The fifth one, Prem falls down. This is true. The sixth one, Rahila is laughing as she lost her bangle. This is false because when Rahila lost her bangle, she started crying. The seventh one, the leaf falls into a hole. This sentence is true. The eighth one, Rahila sits under the wood apple tree. This is true. The ninth one, Rahila does not find her bangle. This sentence is false because at the end Rahila finds her bangle in the hole. 10th one, Bolu is driving the auto. It is false because Raju was driving the auto. The 11th, Raju is tired of the auto. This is true. Raju was tired because the auto was old. The next, Bolu is tall and heavy. This is true. The next one, the cat sees a dog on the wall. This is false because cat does not see the dog sees the cat. Okay. Now next, question number 7 according to your paper pattern is unscramble the jumbled words. Here are a few words for unscramble the jumbled words. Okay, examples are given here. Next, question number 6 according to the paper pattern is write words starting with CL, SL, CH and DR. Here for each I have given 5 examples. Examples for CL, clap, clip, close, class and clock. For SL, slam, slap, slow, slim and slip. For CH, chair, chip, chimp, check and chase. For DR, drop, drum, dry, dress and draw. Okay children, here I have given a few examples, but it is not compulsory that you have to write the same examples. If you know any other examples other than this, if you have learnt, you can write those examples. It is not compulsory that you have to write the same examples. Is it clear children? Okay, this is all for today. We are going to stop here and continue in the next session. But children, this revision is not necessary to be written. Okay, you can only learn the revision. Okay, bye children.